Hello guys and welcome to another edition of the Groovy Gold Hunter. And I've got another pay dirt review. This is a horrible mistake, but I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Let's roll the intro. I don't even want to tell you what I got. It's embarrassing. So let's just roll the intro. So yeah, I've been out of pay dirt for a couple of days and I wanted to do some pay dirt. So I got on Amazon. I'm ashamed, but I did get it. We'll see if they've improved since the last time I did it, which was almost a year ago. We'll see if they made any improvements or not, but there it is, the golden pay dirt. Ugh. This is the 3-ounce nugget hunt. This is that thing where they always say that there's a bag out there somewhere that's got a 3-ounce nugget. All these bonus bags and special bags, blah, blah, blah. And it's this big. We'll do a thumbnail. All right, good enough. It ain't going to be, because it's never with this. It's always, why did I do this? Let's get over here and pan this, get it over with. So, yep, I bought this horrible pay dirt on Amazon. I'm embarrassed to tell you how much I paid for it, too. I paid $55 for this, which was probably $50 too much. Came with the card, 20% off your gold order. They used to put these cards in here that said if you give them a 5-star review on Amazon, they would send you a free bag of pay dirt. Amazon said, no, we're not doing that. So they had to stop doing that. I heard from people too that they did that on Amazon before they stopped them from doing that, and they never would get their free pay dirt. Let's classify this. I don't even know if I need to classify it. I broke it out of its first bag, and here's the second bag, but look how little this is. $55 for that. You get what you deserve, Heath. You shouldn't have bought the crap.
I'm telling you guys, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong.
If you don't get any gold, it's your own dumb fault. You know what kind of pay dirt this is. And I'm like, I know. Kind of like an annual thing where you do this one time a year just to see if they made any changes. And then they never do. And you're like, yeah. So let's pan down. We'll look at this crap. Put it in a bow. It literally looks like play sand. Nothing's changed on that front. So I'm going to classify it. Probably do 10 and 20 and that's it. So let's get that done and over with as fast as I can. I'm going to make this the fastest pay dirt review I've ever done. And we're done. Now let's look at it and then we'll get to panning it. All right, so let's see. What do we got here? Yep, there it is. These four, 10 mesh, 20 mesh, 40 mesh. No, that's minus 40. So there they are. Let's start with the smallest and work our way all the way up. I'm going to pan everything in this one. I had the last pay dirt review that I did, I used this pan and I did not do very well with it. So we're going to do this pan again because I want to see if I can improve on this. This is pretty easy stuff to pan out. Matter of fact, some of the easiest pay dirt you'll ever pan out. Let's go ahead and pan this stuff. What kinds of white things? Take it to the finishing side. Did I just lose a piece? Oh yeah. See, this pan, it is just not as good as I would hope it to be. I just threw a piece of gold in there. There went my second piece of gold. Well, that was pointless. That's why I wanted to use this. So let's do that again with my normal pan. So we'll tap this back. And yes, we did. 2 pieces of gold. That's probably why it took off, because man, that is some really light gold. So I'm not using that blue pan. So this is the 40 mesh, $55 for that. Tap this back real quick. There's a few pieces right there. Look at that, see? This takes off, starts floating. So there those are right there. About 7 of them, maybe 8. I'm sorry I'm not so enthusiastic with this pay dirt, but as soon as I bought it and got it in today, I was like, why did I do that? Am I that desperate to do pay dirt? Really? Start panning this. Back. A little bitty clunker in there, not too big. That's a picker actually, look at there. Got me a picker. 3 pieces, including that picker. We got one more. This is it right here, guys. Boom, no more. Yeah, not seeing any gold. Pan it back. Golly, not a wow. God, I cannot believe I bought that. Now I'm just even madder.
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
I'm gonna call this what not to do if you are a gold enthusiast. That's what I got. That little bitty bit in that corner. I don't even know if you can see it. If you can, congratulations, you see really well. Freaking horrible. So yeah, I'm just gonna let that dry. We'll take it upstairs, get my 1/10 of a gram, and show you how bad the return is. So we're gonna look at it and then we'll weigh it, get a value, and then we'll talk about how you should never do what I just did. This is like a public service announcement. This is like when you used to see those after school specials. They would scare the living crap out of you into not doing something, you know, like drugs and alcohol and...
So that we may bring you an ABC after-school special. Stoned.
I hated those things when I was a kid. They were so fascinating to watch, but man, they were brutal. After school special. Heroin. Those things were awful. All right, let's look at the gold. If you can see the gold, there it is. Yeah, boy. So let's pan down the old scale. We'll zero it out. 1/10 of a gram. 0.108. I want to cuss, but I'm not going to. It's not worth it. Let's just say that. I gotta say, I have to have one cuss word for that. That is dookie. I wanted to say something else, but I'm not going to. So let's get on the computer and look at the lack of value, and then we'll close it out. You know, the thing about it is, I knew what I was getting myself into, but I should have got about a $20, $25 one to do this video. Nothing that big. I should have known better. Let's just say that. 0.108. I mean, gold prices could be $8,000 an ounce and it still wouldn't have come close. Gold prices, though, are at $2,392.27. Insane how much gold has gone up. Calculate, and then you see that. $8.31 worth of gold. They are so bad. I paid $60.36. That's with tax and everything. Calculate 13%. So bad. I mean, you can't help but laugh about it. It's so bad that it's just comical. 13%. I have gotten pay dirts that have actually been just as bad, if not worse, sometimes. Very, very rarely. Here's my thing. And this is kind of a public service announcement to all of those who watch this video who have seen golden pay dirt before on Amazon.
Is he seriously giving a speech right now? Is he seriously giving a speech right now?
They promote the crap out of their product on eBay, on, like I said, the Shop app, Etsy, any and every website that I've gone to that sells anything. They're always on there. Doesn't matter what it is or where it's from. They're everywhere. When you look at the description, it says bonus bags, mother load bags, super bonus bags, extra super mother load bonus bags, the mother load of all mother loads super bonus. I mean, they talk it up like it's the greatest thing in the world, but it never is. I cannot stress enough to all of you out there who's watching this for the first time, who have never bought pay dirt before, who just happen to see this on YouTube and is curious about it. I cannot stress to you guys enough. There are so many pay dirt companies out there that are 1,000 times better than this. If you want any kind of experience panning gold, do not buy from this place. It is the #1 worst pay dirt company out there. And I know most of you who watch my videos, you all know this. I did this for those who don't know about it, who are curious about pay dirt, who's never bought pay dirt before, but they've always seen golden pay dirt out there. They disguise themselves too as different pay dirt companies. They call them themselves Pioneer. They call themselves Mammoth. They call themselves Jackpot. Same company, same results, same crappy pay dirt. So I'll just say this. Do your research. Get online. Do not go to advertisements on Google. Don't Google search Go Pay Dirt because all of the worst ones will pop up first. Get on YouTube. Watch reviews. I've got 1,000 different reviews on a bunch of different pay dirts. So does other places. There's all kinds of people like us who review these things, show you what kind of return that we get on them. So if you're interested in buying them, watch the other videos and see what kind of return we get. And then you can make a decision of if you ever want to buy pay dirt, you can try those people out. Just because you see it pop up everywhere doesn't mean it's good. Stay away from it. Stay away from it. And yeah, stay away from it. Please. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button and the share button. None of it costs you anything. Hit the notification bell. So to all of you out there, thank you for watching. And until my next review, I don't know why I keep pointing at the camera. Every time I do that pay dirt, it puts me in a weird state of mind. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and love. I'll see you next time. Bye.